Can you mix pine sol and vinegar? Over the years, I try to test things out to see for myself if these things works. So today I am going to show you if you can mix pine sol and vinegar, and let's see. So I have my pine sol or Pine Glo, you will say. They all do the same job, they work the same way. And then I have my white vinegar that we are going to use to mix together to see how these reactions is going to be. So I'm going to use this 1/3 of a cup, equal measurements for both. So I'm going to pour and I'm going to pour this in here. And I'm going to pour the same measurement for the vinegar. Well, so I just mixed this. Well, as you can see, I did not see any reaction from this, but they always say it produces some type of fume, but I didn't see anything, any chemical reaction yet. So we mix this up. I can smell the vinegar combined with the pine sol. So okay, so this is it. This is a mixture, and then this can be used to clean your faucet, to remove tough stains. Pine sol and vinegar. If you are wondering if you can mix pine sol and vinegar, well, according to this we just did, and there was no any chemical reaction from this that I've seen. And this solution, vinegar and pine sol solution, can be used to clean hard water stains, faucets, and also your shower head. So we are going to use this to clean my faucet and see how it works. So you can see some of my faucet. It's a little dirty. I have it, the stainless, you can see how dirty it is. So we are going to try this pine sol and vinegar solution to see how it's going to clean that off. And I'm just going to wet my sponge. And I have my solution, so I'm just going to dab this in and just clean this and see. Oh wow, I can smell it. Oh wow, you can see the shyness already. So this does really work. Oh wow. Look at how shiny that is already. I have not even... Oh wow, that's amazing. Gives some shine to these as well. Oh my goodness, that really works. And then we're just gonna wash this off. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at the shine. Wow, this is amazing. It does work. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at the shine. Look at how shiny this is. All the way to here. Look at that. Oh my, well, that really works. Let's wipe this off. Oh my goodness, look at the shine. That's amazing. Oh my goodness, I can even see myself in there. Look at how shiny this is. Oh, that is amazing. That is amazing. Look at the shining. Look at that. Well, that really cleans well. That's amazing. Look at my sink faucet. We are going to try this on here to see how that's going to clean as well. And also inside my sink. Alright, so I am just going to start wiping this. And just try to go to these angles here. Oh wow, it is shining already. I'm going to try inside the sink. Wow. I'm going to start rinse this out. Oh my, look at the brightness. It's amazing. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, look at the brightness. Look at that. Look inside. See how all that is filthy? It all came off. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, look at that. Clean, shiny bright. Oh, that is lovely. So it does work. You can use it to shine your faucet, your shower head, and disinfect your bathroom floor. And I'm going to use it to clean the bottom of my toilet bowl to see how that effective that can be. You see all that stain. added hot, this is warm water with dish soap, and then we're just gonna wipe off what I've just used here. Oh my goodness, look, all the stain is gone. Oh my wow, look at all that stain. That's amazing. Oh my goodness, this is so disinfectant. So look at our toilet bowl. Underneath it's all clean, looking so marvelous. The whole thing is disinfectant and clean, nicely wiped. That's amazing. So it's our bathtub faucet. It's all clean, neat, and it's shining, so shiny. Then you can see our sink faucet, it's all clean, shining. Look at that shine. Can you mix pine salt and vinegar? I just show you in this video, and then I also show you how you can use it to clean your tub faucet. Also, you can use it to clean your sink faucet, and it all came up really well. I also show you how you can use it to wipe down the bottom or the outside of your toilet bowl, and it all works so well. And so the one thing I've noticed is it has a very strong smell, powerful. The vinegar have a very strong smell to it. The pine salt doesn't smell that much, but the vinegar is very strong. Also, when we're cleaning the outside of the toilet bowl, I use a warm water with dish soap solution to wipe it off, so that really mellow the smell of the vinegar. So that's one thing you have to look for. And also, when you are mixing it, make sure you mix it in a bowl, maybe a plastic bowl, because the bowl I use to mix it is white, and I can see the stain, which is the strong, I think, the chemical reaction of the vinegar and also the pine salt. So I see a stain, a brown stain in the bowl that I mixed it in with. But then when I wash it with warm water and soap, it came off. So that is one thing you have to keep in mind when you are mixing it. And so overall, it works perfectly. It works well. So you can mix pine salt and vinegar, disinfect your bathroom, to disinfect your bathroom tiles, to disinfect your floor. You can use it to disinfect, to whiten and clean your chrome. That's what I use it on, my chrome faucet, and it brightens it up. It brings out the brightness, and it looks so clean, magnificent. So you can mix pine salt and vinegar. And I hope this video helps you. You know, I like to test things out. I've used so many cleaning products, so now test them to see if it works before I talk about it. And so I hope this helps you to use this disinfectant. You can also use this to clean, as I use it. You can use it to disinfect your surfaces, but you just have to be careful on what surfaces you use it on so you don't damage any of your surfaces. So that is one thing to keep in mind. And let me know where you are watching from. Subscribe to this channel. Also, let me show you in the next video what are the uses of Pine Sol or Pine Glo.